Hey family, welcome to and welcome back. I'm So Ronica, and I'm so ready to remind you to sow into your future. So here on today's episode of Sow into Your Future, I am playing around with some tulle, y'all. And this was supposed to be for the bottom portion of that garment that's on the edge of that table skirt, right? I wanted to do a detachable uh, detachable tulle skirt or whatever. I haven't even thought of the name. But it ended up turning into something else, which I'm super excited about. Unfortunately, it's not going to go with this outfit that I've been working on, but I wanted to share this with you guys because we've all seen an outfit or a gown with big puffy sleeves, but sheer, okay, this isn't sheer, this is tulle. Some tulle puffy sleeves um, that are detachable. Like once you put a safety pin in there, then you don't have to worry about washing it and you can just I don't know. I just thought it was the cutest thing ever. So what I did was I took the tulle that was 327 for one packet at Walmart. I forget how much it was, how long it is. I never look at that. Um, $3 is pretty reasonable because it's such an important part of an outfit. So here I'm just doubling it up. You know how when we were younger, we used to make those fans or the paper accordions. Y'all didn't make that? Okay, whatever. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just making like uh, one huge big paper fan, and I'm going straight down the middle as much as I can to make sure that it's just as poofy on one side as it is on the other. And so this is the fun part. And when I saw how much the length of the fabric was kind of like squinched up and bunched up and minimized. And I'm always surprised about that. Every time you do this to tulle, you're going to have less coverage. Okay, lengthwise. Um, but it's always like, that's a little too much. Like too I can't do what I wanted to do with it, going over the bottom. But anyway, so that's when it came to me. It was like, okay, I got two of these. They're super puffy. It's like these would be perfect for some sleeves or some shoulder decor. That's what I'm gonna call it. Some detachable shoulder, some detachable tulle shoulder decor. Sometimes your shoulders need to be decorated, okay? You're carrying the weight of the world on your shoulders and might as well decorate them shoulders and make them pop. Okay, well, this isn't really popping, but it is a reminder that we are royalty, that we are a chosen, but ye are a chosen generation, a royal priesthood, a holy nation, a peculiar people, that we should show forth the praises of him who hath called us out of darkness into his marvelous light. So this is definitely going to help remind us that we are royalty, honey. Puffy sleeves does it every time. So now I'm doing the same thing again, just showing you again how I started this process. And you're going to inch your way like a little inchworm. And you're just making sure that the sewing machine goes over the small amount that you have done at one time. Your thumbs are the thumb action is very important in this. And now you want to make sure that you get a pattern going. Fold, fold, stitch. If not, it's going to be sagging and drooping like extra skin. And that's kind of noticeable. It's kind of noticeable. So here we are, and I'm getting ready to do the placement, and I'm going to put them on my shoulders, which obviously you can imagine what is up. There it is. There's the magic. Up and okay. All right. So yes, I'm looking like a Victoria's Secret model. I know those aren't wings, but see, I was like, well, maybe I could put it as a detachable skirt too, but it looks better up there. It looks better up there. And it's not too much. Sometimes those puffy sleeves can make you look like a quarterback or a linebacker. But if you have the see-throughness of the tulle, it's perfect. Mwah.